Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm showing you a beautiful 3-bedroom home, which is great for rentals, but could also be a great family home for you. So why don't you come on in and visit this wonderful home with me? So this house is in a beautiful and high-end residential, which is great for Airbnb and rental properties, and could be the perfect home that you're looking for. So while you're at home, you can make money, and when you're on holiday, you're in paradise. So that's everything that everybody wants. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. And for the price, give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye!